we will move to the next type of chart. So in this video, we will talk about a radar chart. So radar charts are very uncommon and you must have not heard of them, but we will talk about them and learn about them now. So in a radar chart, we have separate axes for each category and these axes extends outward from a center and the values of each data point is plotted in these axes. Here I have record of 5 students and how much they scored in each subject. The subjects are math, science and English. And this is a chart with respect to student 1. So as you can see, it has 3 corners. Each corner represents a subject. So this corner represents maths, this one represents English and this one represents science. And as you can see, in math, the person has around 100. So it is 100. And in English, it's around 75. And it is greater than 75 in science, which is around 83. So this is how you can create a chart or a radar chart for student 1. If I want to create a radar chart with respect to each and every student, I will select this data, go to the insert chart option, chart, and I will change it to radar chart. So let's change it to radar chart. Now it represents the students. So I will switch the rows and columns. Now it represents the subjects and the legends are students. It is not perfectly visualizable. So let's broaden these lines or the data points. So go to series and for student 1, let's increase the line size. So thickness, let's say 2 pixel or let's increase it to 4 pixel. Yeah, it is much visualizable. Let's change it for student 2 as well. 4 pixel, student 3, 4 pixel. You can change the colors as well, but I will let them as all of them are different. So let's use 4 pixel for student 4 and 5 for student 5, 4 pixel. We can increase this chart as well. So now you can see we have these axes and each axis represents a point. So for this axis, for X, Y or Z, you can say, then I have circles drawn and each circle is cut at a point. So this one cuts at 25, this one cuts at 50, 75 and 100. And now I'm representing each student in terms of a radar chart. So student 1 is blue. So it is kind of overlapping green and blue as they have exactly same score in maths. So student 1 is blue and I cannot visualize them clearly. So let's change the color of student 1 so that I can visualize him clearly. So let's go to series. Let's change it to black. Now, so as you can see, student 1 scored 100 in maths and student 4 also scored 100 in maths. So these are overlapping. Now for each student, it is a different kind of triangle or 3-cornered shape. This shape is called a radar and this is how you can create a radar chart. Now we will move to the next type of chart.